that all of you are doing great. Well, you have onboarded your first client or about to onboard your first client. How do you onboard them? Like what is the checklist of item? We are going to ensure that by the end of this video, you are completely aware. How do you do the basic setup? And of course, the promise that you actually made of the fulfillment, let's say the website development, Google review, or the AI employee, whatever service that you're selling, that one you'll have to fulfill. So before moving, let me just quickly give you the checklist of set of things that you need to do, set of things that they need to do, the details that you would need with them. So you just need to go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. I'm going to post it onto the top, and there like you will even find the bonuses and stuff. But here the free checklist is like, if you just scroll it down here, and there you have GHL client onboarding checklist, 100% free, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. You will be able to download it. Now let us just try to read it quickly through it. So information you would need from them: legal and the friendly, business name, customers first and the last names, EIN number, business phone number, business email, business address, time zone. Then things that they would need to do it for you: website domain plus admin access to domain registrar account, admin access to the Facebook business manager if actually they're running the Facebook ads or want you to run, Google Ads manager admin access if they are giving you Google Ads to run, social media accounts login if they want the social media to be connected with the Gohighlevel, list of previous customers on a CSV file, basically importing the entire database into the Gohighlevel, and then send you the resources like the logo, images, graphics, right, for building the website, send you their calendar availability, send you all employees' emails. And then things you would need to do for them step by step would be, first of all, create their sub account, create their website or funnel, and complete like website funnel, ad campaign, whatever that you have promised. Then complete A2P registration, buy them a phone number, set up their integrations, calendar, pipeline, email templates, set up dedicated email sending domains for the customers, give client and their employees access to the login software, and send access to the login GHL and the lead connector mobile app. This is how you will complete the onboarding of the client, but this is just the written version of it. I'm going to depict to you from the application so that the entire concept gets clear. And again, abdullahzahid.com/snapshot, there you can download this checklist for completely free. Now here's the thing that I would like to add onto it. Like, a lot of people do not know it, so let me just clear it beforehand that if you would like to get the best bonus, like one-to-one personal WhatsApp support that we offer to anybody who signs up to the Gohighlevel using our link or upgrades to the $297 or the $497 plan using our link. Where do you find the link? Is here itself on the same website. And not just this 127 plus snapshot. In fact, we just made a quick video to it describing the background, and just quick video, just watch it, and we'll proceed with the client onboarding. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development. If you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
So now I hope that you have watched the video. abdullahzahid.com/snapshot is where you will get the client onboarding checklist as I just showed you, as well as the bonuses if you would like to have it. Now let us just quickly jump onto the first part, would be the client creation of the sub account. How do you create the sub account? Basically, I mean, if let's say they are on the you are on the $497 plan, sub account creation process is automatic, and this one is the fresh account. And at the $297 plan or the $97 plan, you would need to manually create their sub account. So how do you create the sub account? And by the way, 127 is snapshot that we have, like all the possible niches you can directly upload, right, the sub accounts into your respective, I mean, while trying to create it. So here is the account snapshot. As you can see, within the imported snapshots, you will have all the any kind of snapshot. You want to onboard the barber shop, the dentist, artificial intelligence, communities, you name it. All the possible snapshots are there in the bonus list that we are providing. So from there itself, you can directly create, or from the add sub account. So now let me just click on add sub account, and here I have, like, I can just take the dummy snapshot that they have or the imported snapshot. Let me just try to select the community's imported snapshot. So my sub account is, my account is actually going to get created by the this particular community snapshot. The website that it has, the funnel it has, will be pre-populated, and then I can just edit it as per the client's need. So what you'll need, as we already told you, to create this account: the first name, last name, email, business phone number, address, city, state, country, zip, time zone, and then just click on save. That's it. Now let's say you have created the sub account. That was the first part. Now let me just enter into the respective sub accounts there, what all things that you would need to do. So first and the foremost, you would need to actually do their business profile setup. So if you just go to the settings, and here is the business profile setup, right? So you would need a logo from them, that hey, what is the logo that they would want instead of high level for the branding. And like, the better part would be if you just hop onto onto an onboarding call, so that there is no, like, it's an initial setup and there is no disagreement later on. The friendly business name, the legal business name, business email, phone number, branded domain that they want instead of Gohighlevel, and the branded website, and the niche business information, the rest of the things like business registration number, ID, business industry, the region of operation. And then here, like, who's the representative, who would be the admin who will be managing their account, representative, email, job position, and stuff. And the other physical business address, if they would like to enter, they can enter. And uh, after doing this, I would even want you guys to ensure that they enter their card details as well, because that's how the charging is going to be done, right? That's how you will be paid as an agency. So they will be adding the payment method over here, and then you're going to give access to their staff, right? Whatever staff, let's say they are themselves managing, or they have like 2-3 staffs, so they are going to provide the detail. Just to give an example, here you will be add the employee, and you'll be entering the first name, last name, email, and then within the advanced setting, like it's simply like as if the calendar. So calendar we are going to discuss, and signature for their email. Then roles and permissions, like let's say you want to give them the admin access or just the user access based on, let's say this one is the admin access or just the user access. And the second employee, let's say they just want the user access. And then the user availability you would want to know, and that would be for the calendars, right? For the calendar that configuration. Basically, every employee, let's say the name of the employee or the staff is Tom, so they would have their Google Calendar. They should also have the availability, like 9 to 5 they are available or whatever. So that would be it. And after giving the access, you can, like, here would be, I mean, here is the rules and permission, and it would be created, and their like uh, login details would be emailed to them. And yeah, so they will have their login details. Their staff is added, so staff 1, staff 2. So this is how you have added their staff, right? So that is that would be an amazing part. The next thing that you would want to do is, let's say they have an existing business and they have a set of contacts on the database. We already talked about into the checklist that we have. So you can directly import, like if you, sorry, if you go just into the contacts here, and here you have all these options. Individually you want to add the contacts, you can add it. And but let's say at a mass level you want to import the contact. This is the import contact button, and into the CSV file, Excel file, whichever that they have, you just import it, and entire list will be imported of their existing database. So within the workflow, even the database reactivation process, they want to make the profit out of the existing list or want to make them aware, database reactivation can be run as a campaign. So now you have added the contacts, you have added the staff, you have added their business details, logos, and created their sub account. The next thing that you would want to do is uh, as I already said, the calendars and the availability, right? So you just go and within the calendars and check for their availability and the timings, the set of calendars that they would want to set up for their staff, or they already have it. What is the timing? Just update the timing based on to that. Now comes the phone numbers and the emails. So you would need to buy them a phone number. So if you just click onto the phone numbers here, and here you can see add number. If you just do the add number, and then based on to the region that they want or the kind of number you want, they want the UK number, they want the US number, it is available. So this is how you have purchased them a number. And then after the purchasing of the number, you, for the US and the Canada, the A2P registration is also important. From here, Trust Center, you can do their A2P registration. Now, by the way, like guys, like if you have, if as I already told you, like the initial bonuses, if you have already signed up, we even provide this A2P DLC approval for the first time. Like one-to-one WhatsApp support employee is going to assist you if you do not are not aware of this A2P. So she will guide you through the process and get your first one approved, so that next time you can keep on getting approved for the other people. So this is how the A2P and the phone number. The next thing would be the email services. For the email services, like I would say the lead connector would be the best, because that's an inbuilt Gohighlevel one. But let's say they wanted not the lead connector, they wanted a separate SMTP, you can enter that as well. But at the same time, if let's say some of the businesses would like to email too much, right, they would like to use the email service, then the preferred method would be have a dedicated domain for them. Otherwise, your own domain, like emails would be sent via your own domains, and if they are sending too much or like too many spam, that would not be, because in the long run you want to keep on adding more sub accounts. You want to have a uh, process which can be utilized for everybody else, right? So here you just click on add domains, and you would want to like check their domain, and then IC dot whatever domain that they have, and add and verify using within the verify the DNS record access. Now, by the way, guys, like if this is the domain as well as the normal domains that you would want to add, uh, either if they are willingly going to add the DNS record in their, let's say they have the GoDaddy domain or whatever, that would be amazing, like the DNS record that you give them. Now, if they do not know how to add the DNS record and stuff, you can just tell them they can log in into the portal and give a temporary access to you via to your email. Like it gives 24 to 48 hours access, and you can then manually go and change the DNS record for them. So all these things are basically set, like the staff, the email, the phone numbers, the email address, and the contacts, the sub account, you name it. And then on top of that, like you would, let's say you're offering a website building service, so then you can just give them a total estimate that, okay, let's say you've promised them that there will be website building that you are going to do, or somebody is going to do on your behalf. You can give them the time frame that this is your basic setup has been done, and we are going to build the website for you in this and this time, and it would be amazing, like let's say 10 to 15 days of time, and then you build it for them, and this is how their system is up and running. Now they will have access to the respective platform, and you can even give them the mobile application, the lead connector app that they can download, and from there they can just, their staff can directly log in and check the statistics like from onto the dashboard. The lead connector mobile app is a gray labeled app. Basically it is via the name lead connector. There is no Gohighlevel name in between. So if there is no Gohighlevel name in between, so of course, like I mean, by the way, guys, the logo that I told you earlier, what that would be their own logo. This logo is basically the agency's logo. So once you have changed the agency's logo, this would be replaced. So anyways, so within the Lead Connector app, like onto the App Store and the Google Play Store, they can just download it, and they can have the statistics check, the conversation check, any of their stuff. And so via the mobile app as well as via the desktop app, they can take the service, as well as like, guys, I mean, in case, let's say you're selling the AI employee service, right? AI, you want to sell the AI employee, you want to sell the AI voice agent, then you just simply, like on top of this basic setup, you need to set them the AI voice agent. I've created a separate video for the AI voice agent. And by the way, guys, like if let's say you would wanted like your first AI employee core onboarding, to be honest, like we are going to onboard your client one-to-one completely free for your AI employee. This is special offer that we are giving. All you have to do is like within the AI agency, you just put in the code, go to this within your agency dashboard, click on settings, AI employee, and then just put in within the FP reference AI bonuses, click on apply, and then just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We are going to personally assign one-to-one person who, the lady is going to onboard your first client. Our Gohighlevel expert is going to assign onboard your first client completely free and full on onboarding, just because you have entered AI bonuses of according to the AI employee. Just to give you a heads up, like if you're especially trying to land up the AI employee clients. So having said that, all the other things are in check. As you can see, the marketing, the automation, all these parts of like additional things. And by the way, the from the Gohighlevel sign up, which I told you, if anybody gets, there is also an AI agency snapshot, and there you have the Gohighlevel onboarding videos. So if let's say white labeled onboarding videos, you would want to show to the client that, hey, what all the individual tabs mean, and if they wanted to purchase additional service on top of that, let's say your service, you're even giving them reputation management, membership, and other things apart from the website at an additional cost. So white label videos will be getting them started. So this is how, guys, you have the complete client onboarding, and on top of that, you'll just have to deliver what actually service, like what is the exact service that you're offering to your respective client. Are you offering the website? Are you offering the reputation management? Are you offering the AI employee? You'll have to just fulfill that. As well as like for the client onboarding checklist, I already told you, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and there you just go down, and here you can just download the client onboarding checklist and see for have you done all the steps or not. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for tuning into the video. Bye bye.